The Stark Varg EX already looks insane, but let's be honest, everything looks better with a proper facelift. So today I'm giving my 80 horsepower Stark Varg EX the facelift it actually deserves. By the end of the video, it's gonna look completely different, so make sure you watch till the end.
Damn! It's nice. Oh my god, I love this look.
It's so clean.
Whoa!
The parts we're adding is a set of Supermoto wheels, bold graphics, a matching seat cover, and a full carbon front fender. So let's get started rebuilding the bike. So the first thing we're doing is installing the full white. This already is gonna make a huge upgrade, but all of these other parts is gonna look absolutely crazy on the bike. I've never done a graphics kit with matte finish. We of course got it from Bold. It has hand-laid chrome, but it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Before we install any graphics kit, we're getting rid of these Enduro wheels because we're starting the bike build with installing the white Supermoto wheels. There we go. White wheels is actually pretty nice with this graphics kit. But this new graphics kit that we have is gonna look so much better. Check this out. Matte finish and all these silver details is chrome. It's gonna look crazy. Then we got the seat cover, so beautiful. We got this full carbon front fender in white carbon, black carbon, chrome details. Bro, this is gonna look so nice. And now it's time for the rear wheel. For some reason, it's always like bike life, riding with Enduro or MX tires, but in my opinion, it's just another feeling riding Supermoto. It looks better, it feels nicer, it feels smoother also. But most importantly, bro, it looks better. When I was riding my 125, the whole sprocket got loose and it almost destroyed the bike. So tighten your bolts on this like sprocket, for real, tighten them and use Loctite. Trust me on that one. Hey! We got Mr. Hey, okay, bro. What up? Tjena. What's up?
Oh my god.
Bro, we're recording. I'm rebuilding the bike right now. Yo, this is what's gonna come on the bike. Check out the graphics kit, the front fender, but the graphics kit though.
Oh my god. Hey, it's fully in carbon.
Yeah. Alright, so this is how the bike looks like right now. And I am actually starting to maybe regret changing the graphics because she actually looks pretty damn good like this. But either way, I'm sure that she's gonna look so much better when we change it up. What do we have in here? Oh my god, that was loud. A brand new plastics kit. The graphics kit that we're installing is extremely clean. I wanted something very clean to match the rest of the upgrades that we're adding onto the bike. So the graphics are now installed on the new plastics kit and damn, it actually turned out crazy good. Check this out. Woo! Wow, this is actually so clean. Before we can install this new plastics kit, we need to remove the old one. And while we're removing the old one, the seat, since it's stuck to the plastics, it's also coming off. Which means that it's time for the third upgrade, and that is the seat cover. There we go. So here we have the seat cover. Let's place it right here. And let's reveal the brand new seat cover for this build. Are you ready? Are you ready? Bam! This is clean. We got dark gray, like Adidas style ribs. Then we got regular gray ribs. It's a Stark Varg 80 horsepower, of course. So let's remove this one and get this brand new one installed. Bam. It looks so good and it matches the graphics kit extremely well. It's actually crazy how beautiful it looks like. I can't get enough, but there's still one upgrade which might be the best upgrade of this whole transformation. But before we show this final upgrade of the bike build, we of course want to install the brand new Bold graphics kit and of course this beautiful seat cover. But before we can do that, I'm just gonna remove these stickers right here. The fork graphics has also been deinstalled and it's now time to install these full white fork graphics, which is gonna match the whole graphics kit and the overall look a lot better than the previous ones. And then it's finally time to install the graphics kit, the seat cover, and then show you guys the final piece that we're adding onto the bike. Bruh, this happens every time I use the heat gun. Are you kidding me? Alright, yo, we actually made some progress though. It's been a couple of days since I installed the fork graphics. I actually did a terrible job, but hey, it is what it is. I also installed new graphics on the frame and on the swing arm right here. So it's now finally time for almost the last step. We're now gonna install the new plastics. Damn, it's already looking so good. The last piece that we're installing on the bike is instead a carbon front fender. Here you can see the difference. Damn, I think it's gonna look absolutely crazy on the bike. Now this front fender is from a company called Black Tiger Design. When I told them about this project, they were like, hey, we wanna make this front fender for you. I'm so fucking tired. But the bike is finished, finally. It feels so good. The only thing is that before we show anything, look. The front fender right here, since it's not 100% like matching to the original one, I just had to remove the spacers on these top screws. But other than that, the bike is now 100% finished. Are you guys ready to see it? Bam! Here it is. Let's get a before picture. This is how the bike looked like before we started doing any changes to it. This is what it looks like right now. Damn, she's so beautiful. I love it. Like the graphics kit is just so clean. It's well, it's amazing. And the seat cover, it matches the whole graphics kit as well. The white wheels and the carbon front fender, bro, this is wild. This is wild. Okay, damn. So first I wanted to show the bike to the Discord server, the Bike Life Discord server. We got everyone in here watching it. Are you guys ready to see it?
Yes!
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What do you guys think?
Whoa!
Damn!
Very nice! Very nice!
It's actually nice, right?
Yeah, bro.
But I still need money for the 450, bro. It's true.
Wow.
Damn. Okay, guys.
I think I'm hard.
All right. So now I've just previewed. I've showed the whole bike. So join Gebel sub. I will drop a link in the description. What do you think? Last few words.
So clean, and I said also like the white rims now. It works so much better with these vehicles.
Yeah, bro.
I mean,
Thank you. All right, bro. Enjoy the game. It was nice talking with you. Be safe, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it easy. Bye.
Bro fist.
Damn! It's fine. Oh my god, I love this look. It looks so good.
Thank you.
White wheels, white seats. Oh my god, this looks fucking...
The white bold graphics, bro. It's so beautiful.
Bro, I'm driving car at the same time. It's fucking dangerous.
So do you think the Stark Varg looks better like this or like this? For me, it's an easy choice.